Robotics plays a major role in many areas of the manufacturing processes. We can list many of them. But if I have to choose one, I will probably select how robotics helps people to develop added value tasks. Robotics can take over repetitive tasks, can take over dangerous applications, while people can develop much more added value applications. That's the one I would pick. Human-machine collaboration is definitely a must, is the key. We don't foresee factory without cooperation and collaboration between human and machines, human and robots. Actually, we believe that the more we use machine and our technology to teach the new generation, learning from the process, learning from experienced people, the easier will be the adoption of that technology. So it's definitely a strategic direction that Omron took as well. Robotics can contribute to sustainability by improving and optimizing the way we consume energy, by also trying to handle those tasks that are very common in a factory, like trash handling. We do have applications where the robots are picking trash, recycling in much more optimized manner. So those are few examples where robotics can be seen as a tool to improve the sustainability.